Welcome back, guys. In this new video I will be showing you how to construct an ellipse within a rectangle. The first thing to do here is to establish our horizontal and vertical line, or our center line. Change my center line. Activate line command. Draw a line from here to there. Space bar to reactivate. Start line up here. Go down. Our next step is I need to explode this. X for explode, enter. Now, yeah. So my next step is to determine a suitable number of parts that we want to divide this into on that side. 6 or 8 is good. I choose 6. You could use 8 if you want. So next step is to type divide. DIV for divide, enter. Select object to be divided. This number of segments I want in this for this is 6. So I type 6 followed by the enter key. That's now divided. Spacebar to reactivate. I then select object to be divided. Number of segments I want is 6 again. It is important to note that the number of segments that they use on the horizontal or for the center should be the same number of segments used on the vertical. Right. So now that you have done that, our next step is to draw lines from the center here through these points. That I'll be using ray. So I'll type RAY for ray, enter. I'll then be changing to my construction layer, up to construction. I'll left click here, and I want to deactivate auto mode. Click at this point, click here. We'll go through and do these as well. Click here, and click there, enter. That is now done. Or let me not confuse you. Let me delete those for now. So here is 0, here is 1, here is 2, here is 0, here is 1, here is 2. So our objective now is to draw a line from here. 1 goes to 1, well, 2 goes to 2. So I go back to ray, RAY for ray, enter. I left click here. I then draw this to there, to that point, and to that point. Escape. Now, it is good for you to label these so you know which is which. But here is 0, here is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 2. Right? So 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2. I could use spline. Now I'll be changing my outline layer. Outline layer. And I'll be using spline. Probably I want to do half of this first. So I'm going to trim this. Enter, enter. I want this to come out a little smoother and stop using all of it. Or I could do it quarter by quarter. Okay, let me do SPL, enter. Let me do it by quarter. So I click here, then I come down here, come down here, come down here, and I enter. trim, enter, enter. Trim, enter, enter. Escape, delete that. Alright, so now that I have quarter, I'm gonna mirror this, mirror. Left click here, MI mirror, enter. Choose here the first mirror point, here the second mirror point, enter. I'm gonna mirror these two as well. MI, enter. Choose you as the first mirror point, here the second mirror point, enter. And of course I need to mirror this as well. MI, enter. So probably I should have selected everything at once and then just mirror it. Enter. So that part is done. Now that I have half of the side, now I can go ahead and MI, enter. Left click here, left click there, enter. And that is done. So when an object is symmetrical, you don't need to draw all four or the entire figure. You simply need to draw half or quarter, then use mirror to generate it. So just like that, we generate or we construct an ellipse using the rectangular method.